Okay, so it's time to actually have a look at Synapse. Up, let's put that to the main screen. Cannot full screen it for some reason. Oh, it's all in German. Why? Okay, let's see if we can change that. Alright. Okay, so it recognizes all the different things. Okay. Smart reel. Oh, that is awesome. Wait. Okay, this is the setting actually. So you can literally hear the thing click in and out, basically. Oh, I forgot to turn on the camera, guys. So, hyperscroll, it's basically a mode where the mouse wheel becomes an infinity mouse wheel when you scroll it very quickly. So, in terms of scrolling a long document or the web, for example, that becomes very useful. And then you actually, once it gets to infinite wheel, then when you stop moving it, it immediately clicks inside. And then it's a normal mouse wheel with resistance. I think you cannot adjust the resistance though. It's a very, very nice feeling. Mouse wheel? I can say that much. Let's have a look at the options. Integrated profiles. Okay. Well, actually, let's see. Multimedia. Yeah, you have a lot of different things. Let's go to the lightning. Okay. So now it's the maximum lightning, I guess. Schnelle Effekte Spektrum. I don't know if this is really... Yeah, okay, it does change. Breathing. Oh, this is a very, 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 very fast breathing mode. Okay, this is when it goes into the actual green. And then if we go to advanced, we can go to Chroma Studio and actually adjust everything. Here we have the dock and here we have the mouse. Although those things, they are not really connected to each other. Ah, okay, so you can go to every single zone. Okay, those are all different zones. That's crazy. All of those can be adjusted, the speed and what it does, basically, the color, etc. Quite cool. But for me, those are always like add-on features, you know, like more than anything. Okay, so here we have the performance tab. Alright, 1600, 6400. Okay, that's already really, really fast. So yeah, it goes up to 26,000. But who needs 26,000 DPI? And then the data actualization rate, polling rate, in between 125 and 1000. Let's see, okay. Yeah, there is a definite difference. Very cool. Okay, you have some presets and then you can adjust them if you want to, for example, to 3200. Okay. So those are the presets basically. Okay, guys, that was it with a quick look at the Synapse software. I think the Synapse software overall looks quite cool. Of course, I'm not a specialist after this 5 minutes, like having a look at it, having a quick look at it, of course. But to be frank with you, I like RGB, although I'm not super obsessed with it. It is quite cool, though, to synchronize your products. In my case, I'm very unfortunate because I have different products from different companies. And I have a hard time just like, buying products according to, oh, I have to install another software, etc. Which is annoying, I have to say, that, if you have a couple of different peripherals, then you end up with tons of different software that all has to be loaded on your PC. Of course, in the modern age, we have super sophisticated PCs that go really fast and can definitely take it. But I still don't like to have my computer cluttered with a lot of software that I'm actually barely using. And Synapse would be probably one of those softwares that I, maybe adjusted once, but then I leave it at that. So I'm not sure. Of course, you don't have to have it installed, but I think if you do not have it installed, then it's just a generic RGB lighting. So you kind of have to install it to get the most out of it. The design, I think, is good of the software. It's easy to understand. Most of the things are self-explanatory, and you do not have to read a manual to control your mouse. Also, the Chroma Studio with the visual representation and actual zones that you can click to adjust your mouse. This is really cool, although not a make or break feature to have it that good, but definitely a bonus and expected in this segment. Although I have to say the V3, I got it for super cheap. It only cost me, I think, below 40 euros. So for a high-end Razer mouse, that is really good in my opinion. That's it with this little look at the Razer Synapse software with the V3. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I see you guys with more content. If you liked it, you know what to do. Hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. Also hit that little bell, because the YouTube system basically requires me to say that so that you do that. So do that now. Hit the like button. Do a good thing. Hit the like button. And I see you guys very soon.